Hello, this is John Jackson. Welcome to another session of our Schedule Validator tutorials. Today we're going to be looking at Schedule Validator for professionals. In the professionals version, the same features are included that are in the essentials version, with the addition of some dashboard functionality, plus some additional reporting. I can select two schedules that I've uploaded for this project and run a comparison report. This report will list all of the changes made from one schedule to the next, including duration changes, added activities, relationship changes, and so forth. That's a great tool for schedule submittals. Another great report is the critical path report. To run this report, I select two schedules in the critical path report from the menu. The report provides great overview information on the status of the critical path included in the selected updates. The top paragraph summarizes the status of the end date from the first schedule to the next. Did the end date slip or gain during the reviewed period? The second section identifies issues with the status of the critical path work during the window between the two schedules. Schedule Validator identifies the critical activity that should have been in progress on the data date of the second schedule and reports on its status. This report will identify if the current critical activities are slipping. If the end date in the first section is not slipping and the critical path during this period is slipping, then the remaining activities have been adjusted through durations or resequencing to keep the end date from slipping. Miscellaneous adjustments to the remaining critical path activities can be identified in the report at the bottom. This is a great report for the professional user of Schedule Validator. Finally, I can select all of the schedules in this project and run a schedule trends report. This report will tell me over the life cycle of the project how many activities were on the critical path, near critical path, percentage of activities, when the end date slipped from month to month, or cumulative. These are great reports for identifying schedule review issues and analyzing trends on a project. Thanks again for joining our tutorial.